We can have like a proper like dinner. Compared to the other places we were on the floor. It's huge. Like honestly, it is huge. And there's still like one toilet. There's this one.
Me.
There's Ellie. The kitchen is small, but well, we don't plan to use it as much. Another room. And then toilet. Shower with mirror. Honestly, we have like mirror there, mirror here.
We have a lot of mirrors.
Because in the other place we only had a small one. We have another mirror. Another mirror. Nice apartment, but the building. Oh my god, the building. Yapara is in construction, so we see nothing.
Yeah.
I got a cold, so there's that happening.
Yay!
But there's sun, so it's warming up my body.
Very nice sun.
Very nice sun. Like warm sun. Prague sun wasn't warm. Budapest sun is warm.
Okay, we like that.
Me being nice as always. For anyone that doesn't know the story, it's like the Jewish. Ellie's saying that the shoes remind her some of hers. So the Jewish had to like take off their shoes before jumping. Not jumping, but they were shot and then thrown to the river. But these were expensive, so they had to take them off so the others could get them. Yeah, so pretty, el Parlament. How is it called in English? The Parliament. What about that boat?
What about what? Maybe. Maybe. Okay.
Oh. My boyfriend filming me.
I can film you.
Oh, they are not seeing anything now. I need paracetamol. Open.
Unboxing.
Nyom. What are we doing today?
Good morning.
What are we doing?
We're going to Buda.
Which is the other side of the river?
Yes. And we're visiting the castle. The fisherman bastion.
Bastion? Well, we're doing that.
And then we're taking a boat.
Yes.
Yay.
Like a night boat. Because if not, we lose like a lot of
Night at 5 o'clock.
Well, but at 5 o'clock here is just full night. So yes, we're doing that. And then we'll see. Because as you can tell, my voice, I'm sick. Laura is not feeling well either. And our friend is a bit sick of the stomach. So what's happening? That we are old. But yes. I feel better than yesterday though.
Good. That's progress.
It's just like the
I feel worse.
fantastic.
refredada molt a tots molts molts, o sigui, i això tothom m'ho diu, és com un...
Sí, no?
He has to bear with us. My back hurts. My back hurts weirdly.
Ja està, crec que això és el receipt i això són els tiquets.
Okay. Oh well. It's really pretty. Purple. Oh my god, it looks so good actually. Yum, yum.
Look at the bacon. Look at your bacon.
My bacon. And it looks really good also.
Yes.
Yeah. Nice.
I don't know. I can't see the hours.
Wait.
We're going. Pretty. Yes.
What of them the same?
Ah, we're perfect time to go. We're going to the boat.
Amazing.
Huh? What? How many?
7.
Well, that's fun. Yes, let's get the nicest spot. That's so pretty though, eh? Nice choice, nice choice. Easy to ride. You're in the middle, my friend.
I'm sorry.
It's fine. We're waiting for our food. We're in like a caravan thingy, street food.
Street food.
But
Margarita.
yeah. But it's different by.
Yeah.
Like trucks, but that's it.
Like what?
Like trucks.
Trucks, okay.
Food trucks. And
Yeah.
then we'll get a beer and let's see how that works. Ellie should play something. Ellie, play. Can you play? Oh no, it doesn't go. That's sad. And where are we supposed to get beer here? It's just a full mess of things, right? Yeah, really nice the place. doing the Norwegian seminar. That's the bathroom tour. That's the mirror. That. Ooh. I know. Ooh, no, yes. Ooh. Let's go. Yeah, same. Why is it having a party, my phone? Look.
I mean, I get it, same.
Ali's already eating, like, fuck that. How do you burn your throat? It's so good. Is it hot, Laura? Is it hot?
I haven't tried it.
Okay. Got our coffee. Straight?
Yeah.
Okay, wait. Some cars coming. Well, Ellie said I wanna die.
It's fine, it's not
Is it hot?
hot.
Oh, okay. Good.
Not hot and it's very good. Yay.
It's good.
Yep.
Reminds me of some kind of coffee we had in Barcelona. Same, I don't know what you're saying, to be honest. That's more.
It's called Portoscalat.
Professional. Eat, let's eat. Try. Ah, is it hot? Wait for it. Ah, wait, you have this here.
Oh.
Minhas belas. Estão vazias.
Where are we going? Souvenirs. Potato. Yeah? What is this?
It's the same one.
Ah.
But full?
I like it half. I like to enjoy it. Ellie bought too much chocolate. Too much. And she even got like a 4 for 3. So. No.
She keeps looking at me and like, what? This is like, I want another one.
She's obsessed.
Jak będzie Port Castle,